Hola guys. So today I will talk about scattered focus because that is what I'm doing. I'm scattering my focus and I'm not focusing on one particular thing. And if I'm doing so, that means that the growth that I'm getting is just not enough, because if I focus on one thing and try to make that better, and if that is better, then I can continue to focus on other things. But that is really not the case, because um, content creation can be very dynamic in nature, and you have to be in it, in that channel full on, so that you can get the numbers, you can get the views. And yeah, that is what I will do today. Not today, but for the few days I'll focus on one specific channel that is on Instagram. And I have around 28 followers on that account, and we will see how I can make that better. And I will try to recognize a pattern which works in Instagram, which works for me, because I, as a content creator, I'm very different from other content creators, because I love to write, I love to being explicit with my words, and I like kind of those things, and not very design and graphics and all that. I'm not into that. So yeah, let's see where this days goes. And currently it's अभी हुए हैं 8:50, और अभी डे बाय डे मैं जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करूँगा. लाइक टुडे, yesterday it was 9:30, today it's 8:30, and tomorrow it is going to be 7:30, बिकॉज मुझे मेरा दिन का शुरुआत जल्दी से करना, बिकॉज दैट इज़ मच बेटर फॉर मी. तो हाँ, लेट्स गो. थोड़ा चाय वो पियेंगे एंड फिर उसके बाद विल हेड टू जिम. इस पता है, अभी तक मैं जिम गया नहीं हूँ. मैं फ्रूट्स खाऊंगा, और इसके व्लॉग्स मुझे बेस्ट लगते हैं. प्यूडीपाई, आई मीन माय गॉड, इट इज़ फुल ऑफ वार्मथ, नो ड्रामा, नथिंग, just warmth and love. That is what you need to get your work going. You cannot handle more and more drama. भाई ड्रामा नहीं होता है, ड्रामा ऑलरेडी चार तरफ मिल रहा है, बट दिस इज़ द OG स्टफ. सो गाइज, अभी हम जिम के रास्ते पे. अभी बस मैं बाइक से उतरा हूँ एंड आई एम हेडिंग टू जिम. एंड या होपफुली आई हैव अ गुड वर्कआउट. वहाँ पे मैं रिकॉर्ड तो कर नहीं पाऊँगा, बिकॉज वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करना अलाउड नहीं है. सो यप, लेट्स गो. बाय द वे, you should see something like this. Guys, hola, gym is over. It's raining. It was raining very heavily. But yeah, मैं रैपिडो बुक करूँगा and then I will head home. शॉर्ट्स मतलब मिनी वीडियो. ये पहन के आई थी.
अरे भाई तुम इसको पूरा देखो, इसका लुक, शी वाज लुकिंग स्टनिंग. इसका पूरा मेटल का स्कर्ट है, एक बार देखो तुम अच्छा से.
Alright, so that was a conversation with my mom, and which is very general in nature, because you see, conversations with my mom is always on that tangent only, and it can always amuse me. If it can amuse me, then I think it can amuse you. Read this line. Basically, it reads, "You cannot step twice in the same river." This was said by Herodotus. This line is truly inspirational. Inspirational in nature, because it highlights the quality of change. And when one changes, then how they became truly different. And consistency as human nature is nothing but an illusion. An illusion. That is what consistency is, because if we are consistent, then we would never change. That is not how life revolves. Alright, so that was all I wanted to share. And yeah, it's currently 5 and we have been working for a few hours. Yeah, my day goes around like this only. मेरा दिन ऐसे ही चले जाता है काम में. सुबह जिम, खाना वगैरह, and then work. Now by 6 p.m. today many of my content will be published. I will see the performance and I will align with the result of the performance of my content. So yeah. तो भैया जी अभी हम खाएंगे कुछ खाना. दिस इज़ साडो एंड दिस इज़ हमस. पहले से बना हुआ था, फ्रिज में रखा हुआ था. एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई ब्रेड टू टोस्ट. ऑलराइट गाइज, अब हम करवाएंगे थोड़ा चूल कटिंग. लाइक चूल इज़ अ बंगाली वर्ड फॉर हेयर. Like in English it means hair, of course. And now we'll go for haircut and shave. Hey guys, हमारा iconic lift. So guys, this is me on my way to haircut and the weather is still rainy. Weather check is bad, but yeah, let's go. I'm looking like a full bandar. Seriously, like full bandar, like this short length beard and this hair, frizzy hair. My god, पूरा घोंसला बन गया, पता है. Alright guys, haircut done. It is raining and let's get home. नमस्ते भाइयों बहनों. सो मेरे घर आने के बाद आई हैड माई डिनर. मम्मी पापा के साथ थोड़ा देर बाहर बैठा हुआ था, मैच देखते देखते कंटेंट प्लानिंग वगैरह कुछ एक काम कर रहा था. एंड बट while I was in the saloon, I was scrolling through X and I saw a very interesting photo. Let me show you. So I have drawn this diagram in my book. This vertical line depicts functional system and this horizontal line depicts dysfunctional system. And here, see the graph that has been drawn. The upward graph is the line of unkind truth. Basically, it goes down and then goes up. It goes down and then it goes up. And the downward line shows kind life. It goes down, a surge, and then it goes down. And just look at this piece of art and then reminisce life with it, because this is the pure mapping of life. Because when we are met with unkind truth, we are left lost. We are left with no clarity. But that unkind truth becomes the fundamental of our growth, because that pushes us further and further. But if we do not take that unkind truth well, if we reap the kindness of our life, which we think can cure that unkind truth, that is wrong. Because then we will not be changing ourselves, but we would be relying on the kind life, and this essentially would be happening to us. On that note guys, good night. It's 11 and I have to wake up early tomorrow because I'll be editing.